Hey, what's up, guys? It's Team Hard Life, Captain Albert Sextuccia here, and I've got the other Go Fish camera that was mailed to us. Our replacements haven't came in yet, and the reason being because I'm actually getting a few more cameras than I originally intended. So, you know, it's on me, kind of deal, but it'll get done. So now, what I got to do is get this one or this one to look like this. So I got to set this back up and we'll get it good to go. So.
Gotta bite. I think I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I got a line. I'ma call the whole team.
Test. Well, there we go. We got our setup again. So we're back up, and you notice I got two floats on this side, and yes, I'm gonna get them as close as I can down here. Because I need to be able to get this to lift off the ground just a little bit, so that way we can get a better angle. So, yep, there it is right there. All right, now I just need a new SD card to replace the old one, and we're good to go. But yes, so now we got two Go Fish cameras. We're waiting on the third, and we're good to go. Actually, third and fourth is what we got in the works. So stay tuned. We got a lot more fishing action coming at you. And yes, sorry I haven't been able to get out there and go fishing, but it's coming, guys. It's this season.